Look at that. I like it. Works great. This is going to be a rollout, and that's why it is going to get undermount slides. That's why there's this lip under here. It'll be made like, if you look at an undermount drawer bottom, this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to make the rollout the same way, only easier than making a drawer. So check it out. Basically, you can see the slide fits right up against here. And this is typical of most all undermounts, that they have a clip in the front that engages it. And in the back, there's this notch that goes into a hole in the back of this. So you see here, this and the hole. So it goes right. I make it a little bigger than the recommended because sometimes that tab kind of hits one side or the other, or too high or too low. So I make that hole just a little bit bigger so that it goes in easier and pulls in and out in the field much easier. And then this notch is not needed if this doesn't extend down. So my rollout will not have this in the back. This back piece will not be on the rollout. And truth be told, you don't even need this front piece, which I'll show in the video. But they all get like a front clip. And it depends on the brand what these look like and how they work. Some of them are fully adjustable in, out, up and down and all that, but you don't need that for a shelf rollout, really. First, I'm going to glue this little 1/2 by 1/2 inch strip. Okay, then I'm going to plant that on there, just like that. These are 1-inch nails. We'll flush that up. Okay, that's over. Because I want this to be flush on the top. And the other side. These are 1.25 by 1/2 inch. So it's just like a drawer side. That's the idea. Okay, so. Let that dry. Okay, now I'll remove the clamps. So this is how I'll determine where that hole goes, right there. I can probably just tap it. That's the center of the hole. Then I'll drill a hole where that goes. Since this is a rollout, I have to make a cutout on the bottom, just using a jigsaw, and then kind of ease the edges, which I already sanded and did that for the rest of this. I don't know why it's so loud. What is going on here? It's loud. I put this piece on here so that this would have something to mount up against, just like a regular drawer box. But I need to take it out in this area because now I see I got no finger hold to grab there. That's pretty crappy. I should have made this before and then attached it. Now this is more work. That should work. This has to be raised up about 3/4. So I'll show you how I do this. So I mount this using a combination square. I set it back 7/8 of an inch because I want it to be set back just a hair from the face. I use 3/4 inch screws. Okay. And then do one in the back. Okay. And then I do the other side. Put a screw in the slotted hole right in the middle. Just using my eyeball. Remove this one. And we'll see how well the rollout works. All right, let's check the fit. See if that works. Look at that. I like it. Works great. There's going to be an outlet that's put over here somewhere for the printer. And to remove it, you pull on this and it pulls it out. Just like that. And lifts right up and out. One thing I want to point out with these rollout shelves, because originally I had a piece that was just like this piece in the front, but that can be eliminated and you don't need one on the back as well. So basically all you have are the sides and the top and a face, and that's it. And just one other thing to understand, generally undermounts are made to fit with a 1/2 inch or a 5/8 side. See, this space right here will fit right on a 1/2 inch or a 5/8 side. You have this space right in here, and all that happens is the drawer gets closer to the opening, so it moves closer in. So that's why a 5/8 side would be better than I did in the video. So with 5/8 sides, you will achieve a 3/16 gap on each side, which is very small and much better than having a 1/2 inch from side slides. So with that knowledge, I'm putting at the end of the video plans for 5/8 sides. So if you take a screenshot of that, you can make it yourself. So hopefully that helps, and give it a thumbs up if you find this information useful, and subscribe if you want to see further content like this. All right, see ya on the next one.